PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides residential air duct cleaning in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, improving indoor air quality by removing dust, debris, and allergens from your home's ventilation system safely. Our experienced technicians use professional equipment to clean vents and ductwork, helping HVAC systems run efficiently, reducing odors, and supporting healthier living spaces for families concerned about comfort, cleanliness, and long-term system performance throughout every season in Swarthmore homes locally. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a residential air duct cleaning service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is residential air duct cleaning? Residential air duct cleaning removes dust, debris, and contaminants from HVAC ducts to improve airflow, indoor air quality, system efficiency, and overall home comfort safely. How often should air ducts be cleaned? Air ducts should be cleaned every 3 to 5 years, or sooner if dust buildup, allergies, pets, renovations, or airflow issues are present in the home. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our residential air duct cleaning service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania residential air duct cleaning service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.